Hello guys, welcome to this first podcast, Design Your Life. My name is Hervé Mecha. I'm a designer and entrepreneur. Today we are going to talk about design, skills, and investment. Let's get started. Today I'm going to answer these questions you could wondering yourself about industrial design. Industrial design or industrial design process is focusing on different steps, from the concept and ideas to launch. Design is everywhere. All products you see and use every day is designed by an industrial designer, an architect, or an engineer. My job consists to solve real problems, and I improve the quality of people's life with industrial product I design. I work on different particular product categories, for examples like concept car, fashion and accessories, design furnitures, etc. Industrial design has a large universe. It includes innovations, and in our time, technologies make it easy. In the international market, there's a lot of interesting programs like Adobe Suite with Illustrator, Photoshop, InDesign, After Effects, etc. About 3D modeling programs, we find SolidWorks, Maya, 3D Max, Parametric Creo, Rhino 3D, etc. About renders, there are Arnold, Blender, KeyShot, Autodesk 3D rendering, and other programs. All these programs are pretty interesting. Tell me in comments which programs you use. Industrial designer is pragmatic, creative, open-minded, and is curious about everything. He has strong communication skills, soft skills, and hard skills. Have abilities to speak English is required in almost design agencies. But if you don't speak English, I recommend you to learn with apps, books, and maybe you could meet native speakers. Industrial designer has abilities and skills to express these ideas with sketch. If you are interested to improve your design skills and professional developments, you are in the good place. I do tutorials for your personal and professional investment. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you have questions and you want to learn more about industrial design, skills, and investment, you can comment below. Take care of you. Bye.